Good afternoon everyone. The second method of creating a bootable USB flash drive from Windows Server 2022 is through the Diskpart command line utility. How well it already goes as part of any Windows. I have the same 16 GB flash drive. I also have an ISO image downloaded from Windows Server 2022. Let's mount it. Now you need to run command prompt as administrator to get started. Type Diskpart, press enter. As a result you will be taken to its environment. First of all, we will display a list of disks. Our flash drive has number 1. Select it and clean up all partitions on it with the clean command. Make sure there are no partitions on the flash drive. Create a new primary partition, then make sure that it appears in the list of available. Now we need to select section number 1 so that we can interact with it. Next, we will make it active. It remains only to format it into the NTFS file system. Do not forget to specify the parameter so that there is a quick format, otherwise you will have to wait much longer. Formatting the flash drive will take 5 seconds. Now you need to assign a letter to your partition, otherwise it will not open in the system. We close the command line. As you can see, you have an empty, formatted and labeled flash drive to which you just now need to copy all the contents of the mounted ISO from Windows Server 2022. Congratulations, your bootable flash drive is ready to use. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.